Hello student, this is Shiv Prakash and today you will study here 5th lesson of your supplementary book, that is Snapshot, and the name of the lesson is Mother's Day. Students, as you know, the title is Mother's Day, so definitely it will be about our mothers. You know very well that mothers love us a lot and they work for us, they work for the family continuously throughout the day, throughout the night, 24 into 7. The people who get out of their homes for working, they arrive in the evening and then after they become exhausted. But have you ever thought that the mother who works for 24 into 7 ever get exhausted? No, because she works affectionately and devotedly for us, and for that we may work hard, we may perform our duties. But what happens? Sometimes we forget to give respect, to give reverence, to give our love, our greetings to her. We forget. And on such occasions like Mother's Day, our love for our mother awakens. And what we do, that we photoshoot with our mother and post it somewhere and say that I love my mother, I respect my mother. But in real life, do they really does the same? No, I think it is not. So this is the same thing given here about our mother, that we must respect, because we have failed to give respect to her that she needed most. First of all, I will tell you about the characters of the play. The protagonist, the main character, is Mrs. Pearson. The another one is Mrs. Fitzgerald, who is Mrs. Pearson's neighbor. Then after, Doris, who is daughter of Mrs. Pearson, and Cyril, who is son of Mrs. Pearson, and Mr. George Pearson, the husband of Mrs. Pearson. The play starts with a conversation between Mrs. Pearson and Mrs. Fitzgerald about the respect given by the family members of Mrs. Pearson. Mrs. Fitzgerald convinces her to become strict, to get respect from the family members. But she is so shy that she cannot become strict. After that, anyhow, through various mantras and enchants, Mrs. Fitzgerald and Mrs. Pearson change their souls. So then Mrs. Fitzgerald become Mrs. Pearson and Mrs. Pearson becomes Mrs. Fitzgerald. And then Mrs. Pearson, who is in reality Mrs. Fitzgerald, remains at Mrs. Pearson's home to teach the family members a lesson. Now the drama starts. Usually what happened, whenever the family members like Doris, Cyril and Mr. George Pearson came to home, they demanded for their things like lunch boxes or tea. But what happened this time? Before that, it was usual that she served everyone and did whatever they demanded for. But what happened now? Because she is now not Mrs. Pearson, actually she is Mrs. Fitzgerald. Then first comes Doris and demanded for the tea and her yellow silk dress to be ironed. But on that demand, Mrs. Pearson, who is in reality Mrs. Fitzgerald, said that do your work yourself. And on her strange behavior, Doris became very surprised. Her daughter said that she was in hurry. She was to meet Charlie Spencer, with whom she wanted to go for a date. And after that, Mrs. Pearson disregarded Charlie Spence, saying that he had ugly face and odd looks. That is how she disrespected Charlie Spence. On that, Doris started crying. Then after, her son Cyril comes and demanded for tea, and on that he got the same behavior, same response as Doris got. Both were very much amazed at the behavior of her mother, because it was all of a sudden that her behavior changed totally. At last, Mr. George Pearson came and demanded for tea. But for his surprise, she was drinking and smoking, which she never did before. Mrs. Pearson was very much surprised that Mr. George wanted to go to club and wanted no tea, but he was supposing that Mrs. Pearson would have prepared tea for him, that actually he did not want it. All of them were very much surprised at her strange behavior, and after that she told to George Pearson about his club members, that they bemock behind him and call him Pompey Pearson because of his fat body. At the meantime, Mrs. Pearson, actually Mrs. Fitzgerald, saw that Mrs. Fitzgerald came, who was actually Mrs. Pearson, and they wanted excuse to leave them alone for a few minutes. Then after, hurriedly they exchanged their bodies again, and then Mrs. Pearson became Mrs. Pearson and Mrs. Fitzgerald became Mrs. Fitzgerald again. And on departing, Mrs. Fitzgerald warned Mrs. Pearson that she must be strict and never be calm on her family members. In this way, all the family members of Mrs. Pearson decided to remain at home on this weekend, and they played game of rummy. After that, Cyril and Doris decided to cook for their mother, and that's how she got respected. So students, this is the story which belong to the West, but in our country, mother is respectable person. We always love and care our mothers. But what happened nowadays? Some people, due to urbanization, they are running in the race of life and they forget about their mother, who always cared for them in their childhood. But we must not forget the love and care given by our mothers in our childhood, and it's our chance to give her respect and care. So students, keep caring your mothers and never disregard her.